Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should just hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications, you can make it by the same way, just by hold and drag it to one app. Also you can click here on this plus icon, and after that you can select all the applications on your device which you want to add, and then click here on the right upper corner to this icon to just OK icon, and now we can see here all of this application in our folder. If you want to rename the folder, just click here once and the name, and after that enter the new one, for example the apps, tap to OK, and that's it. If you want to move the folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag it. If you want to move the folders between the screen, that's also not a problem. You just should hold and drag it to the left or to the right side. And just to create a new folder with the new screen with the folder, that's also not a problem. And if you want to just remove the application from the folder, you can make it by this way. Just hold and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But for example, if you want to remove a couple of applications in one time, just click to this plus icon, and after that just unselect them and tap to OK. Also, if you wanna just remove the application from the folder and from the home screen, you should hold just by this way. You just should hold it, and after that drag it here to the left upper corner to remove icon. And you can also remove all of the applications in one click just with the folder. Just hold it and drag it here to remove, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.